File 1 of a Treatise of Human Nature, by David Hume, Volume 2. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. Recording by George Yeager. A Treatise of Human Nature, by David Hume. Book 2 of the Passions. Part 1 of Pride and Humility. Section 1, Division of the Subject. As all the perceptions of the mind may be divided into impressions and ideas, so the impressions admit of another division into original and secondary. This division of the impressions is the same with that which I formerly made use of in Book 1, Part 1, Section 2, when I distinguished them into impressions of sensation and reflection. Original impressions or impressions of sensation are such as without any antecedent perception arise in the soul, from the constitution of the body, from the animal spirits, or from the application of objects to the external organs. Secondary or reflective impressions are such as proceed from some of these original ones, either immediately or by the interposition of its idea. Of the first kind are all the impressions of the senses, and all bodily pains and pleasures. Of the second are the passions, and other emotions resembling them. It is certain that the mind, in its perceptions, must begin somewhere, and that since the impressions precede their correspondent ideas, there must be some impressions, which without any introduction make their appearance in the soul. As these depend upon natural and physical causes, the examination of them would lead me too far from my present subject, into the sciences of anatomy and natural philosophy. For this reason, I shall here confine myself to those other impressions, which I have called secondary and reflective, as arising either from the original impressions or from their ideas. Bodily pains and pleasures are the source of many passions, both when felt and considered by the mind, but arise originally in the soul or in the body, whichever you please to call it, without any preceding thought or perception. A fit of the gout produces a long train of...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?